Hello students, so today we'll discuss about percentage, the chapter in standard 5 ICSE. So we'll discuss very basic things that will be easy for us to remember and we'll utilize in our questions. Okay, so let's start. Actually percentage means out of hundreds. In simply we can call it as out of 100. So this is basically a percentage. Suppose I am writing 5 by 100. That means 5 out of 100. So I can easily write 5%. And this is the symbol of percentage. This is the symbol of percentage. Okay, symbol of percentage. So there is nothing. It is very simple that we are doing percentage. We need to remember both the things that whenever we are calculating anything out of 100 or you are comparing anything with 100, that will be considered as your percentage. Okay, that will be considered as your percentage. Now let's find out how we can convert the fraction into percentage, the decimal numbers into percentage, and how to get the percentage from the given quantity. So let's start one by one. Let's clean it. Suppose we have to find out the percentage. Okay, suppose let me write first fraction. Okay, fraction to percentage. It's basically the conversion of fraction to percentage. Suppose I have given a fraction like 1 by 2. If I want to convert it into percentage, I can convert it into two ways. So let's take the first way. Okay, let's take the first way. That is, you multiply 100 with the given fraction. Okay, now if I cut it or if I reduce it, it will become a 50. Then it is your 50 percentage. So this is how you can find out the percentage of a given fraction. Okay, second one, let's take another example. Suppose 10 by 20. Okay, 10 by 20, then it is the same process as I'll multiply it with 100. Okay, so this is 100, then 0, 0, 2 and 5. So again it is 50%. Okay, so I hope you understood the way, or you have understood the first way of converting the fraction into percentage. Let's start the second way. The second one is to converting the denominator into 100. Okay, it's very simple. Suppose I have given a fraction, let's take 1 by 2. So that means I have to make this denominator as 100. So that means I have to divide 100 by that number. So I am getting 5, 10, 0. It's 0 and 0. So I am getting 50. That means I have to multiply 50 here. Then the denominator will become 100. As I am multiplying 50 here, so I have to multiply 50 there also. Okay, so let's multiply. It's 50 into it's 50. Okay, now it will become 50 by 100. That means 50 percentage. Clear? Okay, let's take another example that we can make it into 100, or you can make the denominator as 100 and we can get a percentage. Suppose 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. As we know that if you multiply 25 here with 4, it will become 100. So let's multiply 25 and 25. So it will become 75. That becomes 100. Okay, that means 75 percentage. Okay, so hope you understood the second method of converting the fraction into percentage. Okay, let's discuss the conversion of decimal numbers into fraction. This is also very simple. First of all, we have to convert this decimal into fractions, then we will follow the same process. Okay, let's start decimal to percentage. So what we have to do first, we have to convert this decimal into fraction. Let's convert it. So it will become 31 by 10. Okay, 31 by 10. Now we have two ways. Either we should multiply 100 with it or make the denominator 100. So we'll follow the first process. It will be multiplied with 100. It will become 0, 0, cancel. So it will become 310 percentage. Okay, 310 percentage. If I'll follow the second method, then let's find out. This is the first method. This is second method. Okay, so now it is 3.1 same. You have to convert this into fraction. It is now make the denominator as 100. So let's multiply 10. Here you also multiply 10. And it will become 310 divided by 100 or is equal to 310 percentage. Hope you understand it very clearly. It's very simple. We are not going to make any rocket science here. Just we are going to keep the things simple, then you can understand in a better way. Okay, thank you so much.